Hi guys, so I'm in Walmart to pick up some oil for my vehicle because it's an older generation with high mileage. I'm picking up an oil that will help prolong the vehicle's engine. So here we have a variety of them. This is basically a high mileage oil stabilizer, and the reason why I'm showing you this is because previously I used regular oil, and for some reason I realized that the oil cannot burn out easily. So I've decided, someone recommended this to me, and I've decided to use it. And ever since I started using it, I realized that my oil stay a little bit longer because my car is old and have high mileage, about 250,000 plus. So my oil cannot burn out easily. I realized that with my other vehicle too, because it was high mileage, my oil burned out really faster. So here is a variety of them, and this is the one that I usually use. So when I get these, I basically use the whole thing. First pour that into the oil, into the engine, and then after that I top up with a regular oil. And I'm recommending this to you guys if you have a high mileage vehicle and you want something that will keep your car running smooth. I'll recommend this one to you guys. You can try it out and see. From the time I started using it, I realized that it's really helpful. I mean, it's not going to stop the issue, but at least it helps it. So thanks for watching.